jump up. What do you expect from this carnival?
Well, this carnival this year is going to be something to expect. It's going to be great. Trust me. The people are just got to come out and support all your local bands, your local DJs, all the shows. You know, you just got to come out and have fun. Enjoy it. Because you only come once a year. Well, actually twice a year.
And what band are you on?
Well, I'm playing with Mixmaster Polly tonight. Mostly I'm a DJ. They call me DJ Vibes, so we're the master.
Please introduce yourself and tell us which pageant you're in.
Good evening to everyone out there. My name is Shanice Powell and I am your senior contestant number 4 in this year's Tulsa Miss Senior competition.
Seeing that this is the first jump up of the year, what do you expect from Carnival?
I expect a lot of jam, a lot of smiles, and of course, putting St. Martin out there that we have the best carnival in the Caribbean.
Do you have anything you would like to say to the people of St. Martin?
Well, for those that are away, make sure you are here next year. And those that are here, make sure that you come out and participate to every event that Carnival has to offer. You don't want to be one of those that missed out.
Say bye to people. And we're back with another contestant in this year's pageant. Please introduce yourself and tell us which pageant you're in.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Shania Webster. I'm contestant number 6 in your senior carnival pageant.
And what do you expect from this year's carnival?
I just expect to have fun and enjoy ourselves because it's our culture. Let's have fun, guys!
We're here with the man himself, the president of the Carnival Development Foundation. Can you please tell us what you expect from this year's carnival?
Oh, I think this year's carnival is going to be epic. It's going to be crazy. As you can see, Causeway is here. People complaining it's too long, it's too good. Like we giving them Juve too early. But we're having a good time, and I expect carnival to be great if everybody comes out and have a good time.
I saw that this year the route for a Causeway jump up changed. Why did that happen?
Well, we're trying to experiment with longer jump ups, more meaningful jump ups. We don't know, we're going to hit 50 years in 2 years. So we don't know what we're going to do then, but it's going to be something crazy. So we just had to stretch it a little bit back, like when we had Unity.
Do you have anything you'd like to say to the people of St. Martin?
Come experience life. If you're not here, you will live it tonight.